So check this out. Electric dirt bike. As far as I know, this is the first time an electric dirt bike has been to Georgia Offroad Adventures. Rotherby Welding is letting me test it out. Let's see what it can do. All right, let's see what this thing can do. It's so quiet. It's so quiet. This is, wow, brutally bouncy. So much torque though. Oh shit. It is crazy. It like moves around every which way possible.
What do you think of it?
I forgot I didn't have a foot brake twice. I went into a turn, was like, ah! Does it look as sketchy as it feels?
Not at all. It doesn't look sketchy at all.
So the rebound damping is way too fast. So it's pushing back down and causing the bike to just chatter.
Oh,
Every little bump, it bounces around.
Skippy.
Yeah, we got to slow down the rebound.
Do you need to tighten the rear? Because I see it's like all the way loose.
Maybe. It's also at the wrong angle.
Is it?
Yeah.
He's deep in the, or
He made it more vertical.
Yeah. Yeah, if I'm getting real close, I'm trying to like ride right like behind you, because otherwise it pelts me, but I'm getting a really good shot of you like right behind you. From
Nice.
Stand angle. Love that guy. Like friends everywhere we go.
Yeah. So this is actually so light, I can bunny hop it.
All right.
I can just jump and the bike comes off the ground.
Are you guys ready to go? We're gonna go chase them.
I won't be able to see shit behind the three of you guys. Crazy loons and four wheels. Somebody's phone's ringing.
It's me.
Okay.
What? That's like having a phone on a golf course.
Yeah, now you owe everybody a round of beer.
Yeah. Hit it once.
We going back to the pro shop? Ow! You want to do this on the drag strip?
Yeah, after I was paying closer attention, the rear suspension is not compressing.
It hurts so bad, dude. Oh my gosh.
At first, I thought it was too soft. It's the exact opposite.
It's too stiff.
The whole bike when you're riding, the whole frame is doing this rather than the back going.
Yeah, the spring is too strong. You need a lower spring rate, and you need to take the rebound and slow it way down.
Yeah.
It's just like pushing back so fast that it hurts. I almost ripped off the number plate. It does, it hurt my back. Yeah. At one point, I actually said on the camera, I'm like, I think my jaw's gonna break. I want to thank Chris from Rotherby Welding for letting me test out his electric dirt bike. It's an awesome machine. I did have some feedback through the video and through the riding that we had spent that day. Don't take it the wrong way. He builds a great machine. It needs some tweaking. This was the first time being tested. Just like any vehicle that's being built, you need to build, test, and tune. So he's gonna do some work. He's gonna fix the things that we talked about, and hopefully we can get back together and I can test it for real. I'd love to have it out on a motocross track, and I'd love to up the power so that I could actually wheelie it. Hopefully we can get together again soon. Thanks so much, everyone. Stay safe.